You have heard it before, get an education and get a job and you will be successful. Even on those journeys, whether it's high school or college, were you ever taught what it takes to be successful? Were you ever taught success principles or the neuroscience of success? After all, you need to use your brain to be successful, right? But few, if any, are taught how to leverage the brain's natural specific abilities to be successful, or how it gets in the way of your success. Few were taught the time-tested principles and practices of success. And even when we are successful, your brain can talk you out of further success, since it gets satisfied when reaching an outcome. So, why not learn how to keep it motivated for success? Well, you don't have to figure it out on your own any longer. You can leverage the knowledge and experience of others, along with years of carefully curated researched content, for less than you would spend in a month on your favorite soft drink. If you have a student at school, this is a must-have program. Don't spend another minute, another week, another month, or another year wondering how to be successful. Get started on your success journey today.